In this video, we will show you how to manage tools in Dental CNC. As you can see, we've just opened the application and there is one job in the job list. However, there is one problem: the red triangle indicates that you cannot process the job. Why is this? Well, take a look at this area here. This is the Virtual Tool Magazine. It is the digital counterpart to the physical tool magazine in your machine. All tools in your machine's tool magazine should be listed in the Virtual Tool Magazine. However, the Virtual Tool Magazine is currently empty. Let's change this. For this, we will open the Tool Administration view by selecting this icon. The two areas in this view are also empty. On the right side, you can see the Virtual Tool Magazine that you already saw in the machining view. On the left side, you can see the Virtual ATB. ATB stands for Administrated Toolboard. It can contain up to 30 tools and represents your tool stock. There is also a physical ATB. You can obtain it from customer service. The K5 and K5 Plus come with an ATB in the accessory drawer. First, we need to add tools to the Virtual ATB to tell Dental CNC which tools we own. There are 30 numbered tool cards in the Virtual ATB. Let's add a tool to the tool card number 1 by selecting this icon. The tools that you can select from the list are machine-specific. If a tool is not on the list, it cannot be used with the connected machine. On the left side, you will find the tool match codes. On the right side, the diameters of the cutting edge display. The selected tool now appears on the tool card number 1. The empty black circle indicates that the tool hasn't been used yet. It will be filled as the tool life decreases. If you replace the tool, use this icon to reset the tool life to its full duration. There is no need to remove and then re-add the tool. If you no longer own a tool and don't plan to replace it, you can delete it from the Virtual ATB with this icon. Now, let's add some more tools. You can select any positions for the tools in the Virtual ATB. Here we are. Now, we have to move the tools which are required for our next job to the Virtual Tool Magazine. This time, the positions are important. They must correspond to the physical tools in the machine's tool magazine. Otherwise, the machine will use the wrong tools. The layout of the Virtual Tool Magazine corresponds to the layout of the physical tool magazine. Let's say we want to use the positions 6, 7 and 8 of the tool magazine. Therefore, we need to move the tools in Dental CNC exactly to these positions. We can do this by dragging the tools from the Virtual ATB to the desired positions in the Virtual Tool Magazine one after another. To avoid mistakes, it is a good idea to insert the corresponding physical tool into the machine's tool magazine at the same time. Normally, there would be more than 3 tools in the machine's tool magazine, but for the purpose of this video this will do. If a tool is no longer in the machine's tool magazine, you can move it back to the Virtual ATB by selecting this icon. As we have added all required tools to the Virtual Tool Magazine, let's go back to the machining view. This looks much better. All required tools are listed in the Virtual Tool Magazine. Consequently, the indicator is now green. If you have prepared your machine, you can process the job right away. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.